Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our Flooring Innovation Series. I'm Bradley with Flooring Inc., and today I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about the clip-together hardwood sports flooring from Junckers. As you know, hardwood flooring is durable, and everyone loves the beautiful wood grain patterns. The style and durability makes hardwood a classic flooring option for gymnasiums, athletic courts, and fitness studios. You might also know that hardwood isn't the easiest to install. It needs to be glued or nailed down, which requires a lot of time and effort. And if something happens to damage your gym floor, it's going to be a huge pain to pull it up and replace it. But it doesn't have to be that way. With the hardwood sports flooring system from Junckers, the planks clip together and float over the subfloor. No nails required. It's 100% DIY friendly, which also means the floor system can be pulled up and reinstalled anywhere you want. Junckers flooring is made from 100% solid hardwood, so you know it's designed to last. The planks feature a tongue and groove design that allows them to interlock. They're connected with heavy-duty steel clips and assembled over a performance foam underlay to ensure maximum impact absorption. Now, doesn't this sound like a much simpler solution for someone who wants the benefits of real hardwood sports flooring without the installation hassle? I'm sure you still have some questions, so I'm going to be talking with John Safarik from Junckers Hardwood to get us some answers.
So a floating floor has the opportunity to insert a resilient layer that can absorb shock and allow the top layer, in this case solid hardwood, to move, to flex, to absorb the impact of the athlete. And that's the advantage of a floating floor. And second advantage would be that it can be removed. It can be taken up and reinstalled elsewhere if needed. So in generic sort of round numbers, we're probably 1/3 the time because the Junckers product's pre-finished. In most areas, it's considered pre-acclimatized. And for many types of gym applications, we can paint the lines right on the pre-finished floor and there's no need for a top coat of urethane over that. Yeah, oftentimes, especially floors without game lines, like a dance floor or a group exercise floor, it can be a do-it-yourselfer product. The product's pre-finished, it's pre-acclimatized, precision milled, roll out the foam, clip together the planks. It's pretty straightforward. So yes, we do have a sizable DIY market.
Let us know in the comments where you're planning your upcoming home renovation. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our next episode.